What happens when a vast desert meets an endless ocean? Let's explore the Namib, the world's coolest desert. In southwest Africa, it's Earth's only coastal desert. Most deserts are tucked away far inland. While other coastal deserts do exist, they usually turn into scrubland due to ocean rainfall. But the Namib is unique, its dunes run right to the surf. One foot is in a boundless, parched desert, and the other can step into the roaring Atlantic. It's a breathtaking sight that shows nature's true magic. This dune coast stretches over 1,600 kilometers. It is truly the most unique desert on our planet. So, what makes it so special? First is that 1,600-kilometer sandy coastline. You won't find anything like it anywhere else. Second, despite the ocean, it's the driest place on Earth. The closer to the sea, the drier it gets, less than 10 millimeters of rain. Normally, being near the sea means more rain. But here, the coast is dry, and rain only increases inland. Why this strange anomaly? It's caused by the icy Benguela Current flowing offshore. The cold current cools the air, making it heavy and sink. This prevents the warm, moist rising air needed for rain. Without that lift, it creates a cold, hyperarid climate. Thus, it's both the driest and the coolest desert ever. But this also leads to extreme temperature swings. Days can soar above 50 degrees Celsius, while nights can plummet below freezing. Yet, that cold sinking air creates a third wonder. Thick, heavy fog blankets the desert landscape. When moist sea air hits the cold current, it condenses into fog that rolls over the dunes. This happens roughly every 10 days. The fog can drift over 50 kilometers inland. It is the most fog-dependent desert in the world. This mist is the primary water source in a rainless land. It creates a unique ecosystem teeming with hidden life. Besides the social weaver birds we've mentioned, there's the dancing, shovel-snout lizard. Because the sand is scorching hot at noon, they lift their feet alternately, looking like they're dancing. That's why they're called desert dancers. But the real star is the Namib desert beetle. To survive this harsh, waterless world, it learned to pull water out of thin air. Every night, it treks to the very top of the dunes. These dunes are massive, often over 100 meters high. The tallest reach a staggering 300 meters. For a tiny beetle, that's like climbing Mount Everest. Once it reaches the peak with all its might, it faces the wind, tilts its head, and waits patiently. As the desert cools, the beetle's body temperature drops. Before dawn, moist sea air drifts in from the Atlantic. It covers the dunes in a beautiful, thick mist. Based on the laws of physics, moisture condenses on cold surfaces into water droplets. Fog begins to collect on the beetle's chilly shell. Tiny beads grow larger, forming perfect droplets on its back. Its shell is waxy and as smooth as a mirror, but it's covered in tiny, water-loving bumps. These bumps act like peaks where droplets gather. They roll down valleys directly into the beetle's mouth. Thus, it drinks pure water in the driest place on Earth. As they say, if you can't change the world, change yourself. The Namib beetle has mastered this lesson completely. And humans here have learned the same wisdom. The primitive Himba people live deep within the desert. They cover their skin in a red ochre paste. This red mud protects them from the scorching sun. At night, it acts as a warm, insulating layer. Due to water scarcity, the Himba never wash with water. They stay coated in red mud, earning the name Red People. After long periods of European colonization, pure Himba numbers are falling as the population diversifies. Later, they founded their own nation in this magical desert. And they named their country Namibia, after the Namib itself.